In this video, I'll show you how to add devices to NordVPN so you can protect multiple gadgets at once. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along. Adding devices to NordVPN allows you to secure multiple devices with encrypted internet connections, keeping your data private across your whole network. It also helps you get the most value out of your subscription by protecting several devices simultaneously. First, open the NordVPN app on your desktop. On the left panel, scroll down and click on the fifth icon labeled Devices in MeshNet. This will take you to the MeshNet settings page. Toggle the MeshNet button to the On position. Once activated, the page will display a section showing all connected devices. To add a new device, scroll to the bottom of this page and click on the Add Devices link. Now, grab the device you want to add. It could be your phone, tablet, or another computer, and open the NordVPN app on that device. Enable MeshNet on the new device the same way. You'll then be shown a unique connection code on that device. Go back to your desktop app and refresh the Devices in MeshNet page. You should now see the code appear under the Personal Devices section, confirming that your devices are successfully linked via MeshNet. If you ever want to remove a device, simply find it in the device list. Click the triple dot menu next to the device name and select Unlink. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Unlink again to finalize the removal. And that's it. You've successfully set up and managed MeshNet across multiple devices using NordVPN. Don't forget, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and protect all your devices with one subscription